Hi friends, are you looking for a high-paid jobs? Don't know how? This video is particularly made for you. Today I'm going to share with you the top 5 foreign languages which are having a high demand in the job market. We live in a multilingual world that is becoming increasingly globalized, and it is therefore very important to know more than one language. Learning a foreign language is a value addition to your profile. It will increase your chances of getting jobs in top organizations. If you are already employed, your language proficiency will highlight you from the crowd and help you in getting promotions. If you are a student, you can easily get admission on foreign universities. Nowadays, job advertisements specifying that they want multilingual candidates, and knowing more than one language increases your chance of getting a high-paid job. Furthermore, most of the companies begin to trade internationally, being asked to relocate abroad or offered a promotion that requires language skills. Therefore, learning a language helps with career progression and career enrichment. This shows that learning a language is a wise investment for anyone at any age, whether you are preparing to enter the workforce or looking to expand your opportunities. Learning a foreign language gives you an advantage in all aspects of life, like education, career, business, social and intellectual. The benefits of learning do not stop here. Learning a language improves your brain power and also it improves your memory. Learning a language enhances the ability to multitask and also it increases the networking skills. Finally, it provides better career choices. According to the recent research, 89% of our employers stating that multilingual employees add value to the workforce, and 88% of the people stated that recruiting team members with language skills is important to their organization. The knowledge of foreign languages can help you with employment opportunities and enable to stand out from the competition. Multilingual ability is definitely a competitive edge in today's world. Having said that, let's see the top 5 languages that give you high-paid job opportunities across the globe. The first language which we are going to talk about is English. English is the largest language by the number of speakers and the third most spoken native language in the world. Knowing English increases your chances of getting a high-paid job in a multinational companies within your home country or abroad. It is also the language of international communication, the media and the internet. So learning English is almost important for socializing and entertainment as well as work. Learning English is important as it enables you to communicate with literally anyone on the earth. It is one of the highest paid foreign languages in the world. The next language in our list is French. French is a major language of international communication. It is the second most widely learned language after English and the 6th most widely spoken language in the world. French is also the second most widely taught language after English. French is the most popular foreign language to learn in India, and the reasons to learn French are obvious. With over 30 French-speaking countries around the globe, it is spoken by roughly 300 million French speakers across the world. According to Forbes, there will be 750 million French speakers in the world by 2050. French continues to be the top choice among students both at school and university level. French contributes more than 50% of original words to the English language, which is why Indians fancy it so much as it becomes relatively easier to learn. Hence, French is also one of the highly paid foreign language. The next language in our list is German. After French, German is the most famous foreign language among Indians. It is spoken by over 100 million native speakers and a total of 185 million speakers worldwide. It is also the most spoken native language of Europe. German is the second most commonly used language on the internet. Also, it is one of the highest paid foreign language. Whether you want to pursue further studies or do business in Germany, Switzerland or Austria, or you just want to enhance your employment opportunities in fields like engineering, automobile, power and utility, management, medical and healthcare, etc. German is the language to learn. Our next language in the list is Spanish. Spanish is the most commonly spoken language in the world, and it's the top pick for the most demanded foreign language to learn. While learning any language can be difficult, language experts rank Spanish as one of the easiest languages to pick up for English learners. Spanish is probably one of the easiest languages to learn for Indians. After learning Spanish, you can work as a language specialist in export and import industries. You can find plenty of Spanish jobs in BPO, KPO, MNC and call centers since most of these BPO KPO come from USA, where Spanish is the second most important language. There is no doubt that Spanish is another highly demanded language to learn. The fifth language in our list is Italian. Italian may seem like the least widely spoken language in the world. However, you would be surprised to know that it is the most studied language in the world for culture. The Italian language is the fourth most studied language in US colleges and high schools, with a 20% growth in enrollment rate. Since the Italian-speaking population is less, the requirement also huge. Italian is also one of the best foreign language to learn for getting a high-paid jobs. Nowadays, learning a language is much easier than ever before. There are lots of online resources which gives you a free access to learn a language which you prefer. There are few sites available online to learn your favorite language in a fun way, and few sites have native speakers too. The best online sites for learning languages are Allison, Coursera, Khan Academy, Udemy, FutureLearn are some of the online resources available for you to learn a language in your convenience. In today's competitive, evolving, and the ever-shrinking world, there's an exponential demand for jobs that require a foreign language. Multilingualism has become more than just important. The world is becoming more multicultural than ever before. Whether viewed from the financial or social aspect, being able to communicate in a foreign language helps to make a real connection with people and provides a better understanding of your language. Learning a new language can open doors and create endless opportunities for you. Hope the video is very useful and informative. If you like the video, please like and share, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.